हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो। मैं आपका क्लासमेट सुशील आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम फिजिक्स 1 के टॉप 25 एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, मोस्ट एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू फिजिक्स 1 के। चलिए देर न करते हुए आज के इस टॉपिक को शुरू करते हैं। अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और लाइक बटन को भी हिट कीजिएगा। ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ऑर्डर ऑफ आयनाइजेशन पावर ऑफ अल्फा बीटा एंड गैमा रेज इज। जो ऑर्डर ऑफ आयनाइजेशन पावर है अब अल्फा बीटा एंड गैमा रेज वो कैसे आता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज अल्फा इज ग्रेटर देन बीटा एंड बीटा इज ग्रेटर देन okay gamma. That's why the alpha beta gamma, that means is option number C should be the correct answer. Now friends, solutions भी दिया हुआ है. Since alpha rays has more charge than a beta and gamma has no charge, therefore in order to ionization is alpha is greater than and beta is greater than gamma. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Now the question number 2 friends, the binding energies of the nuclei p to the power n and q to the power n are x and y. So joules, if 2x is greater than y, then the energy released in the reaction is p to the power n plus p to the power n is equal to, that is q to the power 2n. Okay, so will be the correct option is that A, B, C and D. So friends, the correct option is minus 2x minus y. So correct option is the option number B should be the correct answer friends. Okay, so option number B correct answer. Now we can jump the next question, question number 3. The radioactive elements of the TH, thorium, okay, then polonium, that is 261, okay, and can undergo alpha and beta are type of disintegrations with half lives T1 and T2 respectively. Then the half life of TH is what? Okay, so the half life is the thorium is that is option number T1 T1, okay, T1 T2 T1 T2. That's why the option number D should be the correct answer. Option number D should be the correct answer friends. Now we can jump the next questions. Question number 4, in order of magnitude of the density of nuclear matter is, in order of magnitude of the density of nuclear matter is 10 to the power 4 kilojoule per meter, 10 to the power 17 kilojoule per meter cube, and 10 to the power 34 kilojoule per meter cube, and option D is 10 to the power 27 kilojoule per meter cube. So friends, option B should be the correct answer. Okay, option B हमारा correct answer होगा. In order to magnitude of the density of the nuclear matter is 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 17 kilojoule per meter cube. Now question number 5, the value of bonding energy for H1 H2, okay, that is assumed is हाइड्रोजन्स का है, ओके, हेलियम्स का, फेरन का, यूरेनियम का. बात करते जाए तो और 2.22 रिस्पेक्टिवली दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर जो बाइंडिंग एनर्जी है हाइड्रोजन की, हेलियम की, फेरन की यानी यूरेनियम की. ओके, सो 2.22 28.3 एंड 492 एंड 1786 यूनिट रिस्पेक्टिवली. नाउ द मोस्ट स्टेबल न्यूक्लियस इज विच. So friends, the most stable nucleus is, that is ferrous 28 and to the power 56. These are the compounds of the most stable nucleus. Now the question number 6, the specific activity of radium is nearly what? The specific activity of radium is generally friends option number C. Okay, that is 1IC. Okay, 1CI should be the correct answer. Now the in evaluations of, that is uranium 92, okay, that is 0 and to the power 1 is to get, that is Ba56. Okay, and krypton की बात करें और x की बात करें, okay, तो x is what बोल रहा है. So uranium plus n to the power 1 to get बेरियम मिल जाएगा हमें with 56 and 144. Okay, atomic number and atomic mass number. Now so the correct option is that friends, so option number is, that is 30 and to the power 1, that means option number C. Option number C should be the correct answer. Now friends, the next question, the question number 8 friends, masses of nucleus, neutron and protons are m, mn and mp respectively. यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियस का मास दिया है m, न्यूट्रॉन का mn and protons का mp. So the nucleus has been divided into neutrons and protons, then the option is A, B, C, D. So which one is correct friends? So option number A, that is m is less than of A minus Z mn plus zmp. Okay, now the next questions, the most stable nuclei, neutron number n and proton number z, has the relation, the most stable nuclei, neutron number n and proton number z, has the relation ye, that is n is equal to z, n is greater than equal to z, n is less than z, and n is greater than z. So friends, the correct option is that n is the greater than equal to z. So option number B should be the right answer friends. Now we can jump the next questions. Question number 10. The graph between binding energy per nucleon and atomic mass is as. So ए ऑप्शन दिया है, बी ऑप्शन दिया है, सी ऑप्शन दिया है एंड डी ऑप्शन दिया है. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स जो बाइंडिंग एनर्जी हमारा है, ओके, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज दिस. ओके, ऐसा हमें एरो मिलेगा. ओके, दैट्स वाई दिस कैन बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, now the question number next. The emission of energy in the form of emitted particles and the action known to be, that is emulsification, ionization, reaction and radiations. So friends, the emission of energy in the form of emitted particles, the action known to be radiation बोलते हैं उसे. Which one? Radiation. That's why the option number D should be the correct answer. Okay, option number D should be the correct answer. Now next question friends, that is osmosis is an action in which. Okay, so osmosis is an action in which. So friends, हम ऑस्मोसिस की बात करते हैं तो ऑस्मोसिस की जो एक्शंस होती है, द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट द ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ओके, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. A solvent spontaneously passes through a semi-permeable membrane, so solution with higher concentration of dissolved water until they reaching the osmotic balance. Okay, so the osmosis is an action in which the solvent spontaneously passes through semi-permeable membrane into a solution with higher concentration of dissolved matter until reaching osmotic balance. Now the next question friends, question number 3. Which of the following wavelength of light is most effective for photosynthesis? Which of the following wavelength of light is most effective for photosynthesis? ओके फ्रेंड्स, जो फोटोसिंथेसाइज के लिए जो मोस्ट इफेक्टिव वेवलेंथ रहती है वो होती है दैट इज 400 to 700 नैनोमीटर्स. ओके, 400 to 700 नैनोमीटर्स ऑप्शन नंबर हमारा करेक्ट है. ओके, विजिबल रेंज के अंदर आती है 400 to 700. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. रेडियोकार्बन इज प्रोड्यूस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ. Radiocarbon is produced in the atmosphere as a result of, option number A is correct friends, that is collision between fast neutrons and nitrogen nuclei present in the atmosphere. Okay, जो collision होता है between fast neutrons and nitrogen nuclei present in the atmosphere, that's why the radiocarbon is produced in the atmosphere. Now the question number 5. It is easier to roll the stone of a sloping road than to lift it vertical upward, because the work done in rolling is more than lifting. The work done is lifting, the stone is equal to rolling. Work done is both is same, but rate of doing work is less rolling. So work done is rolling, stone is less than in lifting work. So friends, जो it is easier to roll the stones up to the sloping of the road than to its vertical upwards, because जो हमारा correct answer है, this is a work done in rolling a stone is less than in lifting. That's why option number D should be the correct answer. Now friends, mercury is commonly used as a thermometric fluid rather than water. Mercury is commonly used as a thermometric fluid rather than water because the mercury has greater visibility than water. Okay, so mercury की visibility रहती है वो greater रहती है as compared to water. That's why the mercury is commonly used in thermometric fluid than water. Okay, mercury is very important friends. Okay, very important questions है, very important questions है. mercury is commonly used in thermometers a fluid rather than water because इसके अगर बात करते हैं जो mercury has a greater visibility than water. Now the question number 7. Rainbow is due to, that is option A, absorption of sunlight in minute water droplets. Option B, diffusion of sunlight through water droplets. Option C, ionization of water deposits. Option D, refractions and reflection of sunlight by water droplets. Rainbow is due to, option number D, refractions and reflections of the sunlight by the water droplets. Okay, that's why option number D should be the correct answer. Now that is question number 8. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize for his work connected to which of the following phenomena radiation? Okay, C.V. Raman. We know C.V. Raman's. Now the C.V. Raman's, that is scattering, diffraction, interference and polarization. So friends, option number A, that is scattering should be the correct answer. C.V. Raman को scattering के इफेक्ट के लिए भौतिकी का नोबेल प्राइज मिला है. Now the next question. Radiocarbon dating technique is used to estimate the age of rocks, fossil, trees, leaves. So friends, radio dating is the technique. Okay, so use the estimate of the age. Is the estimate of the age. So हम fossils की स्टडी करते हैं, रेडियो डेटिंग. ओके, रेडियो डेटिंग में fossils की यूज स्टडी करते हैं हम. नाउ अगर बात करते हैं किसकी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 की. सो आइडेंटिफाई द वेक्टर क्वांटिटी फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग, हमें वेक्टर क्वांटिटी आइडेंटिफाई करनी है। सो फ्रेंड्स हीट है, एंगुलर मोमेंटम है, सरफेस टेंशन है, विस्कोसिटी है। तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ का जो एंगुलर मोमेंटम है ये हमारी वेक्टर क्वांटिटी के अंदर आता है। ओके, एंगुलर मोमेंटम इंक्लूड्स इन वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, हीट, सरफेस टेंशन एंड विस्कोसिटी it is not including, okay, it is not including in vector quantity. Now linear inhibition is समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज, जो लीनियर इनिबिशंस होता है उसको समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज हमें क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज कंप्लीट इनिबिशंस। लीनियर इनिबिशन इज समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज अ कंप्लीट इनिबिशन। ओके, लीनियर इनिबिशन इज समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज दैट इज कंप्लीट इनिबिशन, लीनियर इनिबिशन इज समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज कंप्लीट इनिबिशन। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, द टाइप्स ऑफ इनिबिशन पैटर्न बेस्ड ऑन द that is Michaelis Menten equations are, the option number D, that is all of the above. That means option A that is competitive, non-competitive and uncompetitive. So option number D, all of the above should be the correct answer. Okay, so friends ये थे हमारे टॉप MCQ फिजिक्स 1 पेपर के लिए। बहुत ही कमेंट्स आए थे इसलिए बनाए गए हैं। ओके, एनीवे अगर आपको ये PDF अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक बटन को जरूर प्रेस कीजिएगा। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।